Mahasirs Mudra, large head or headache mudra. This mudra is great for a wide variety of headaches, and they can be made to disappear with one single mudra. Place your ring finger so it touches the middle of your palm. The tips of your thumb, index finger, and middle finger touch each other. Keep your little finger extended. Do this with each hand. You can do this mudra as needed for a headache or 3 times every day for 6 minutes to prevent headaches. Hold the affirmation, I have a free, light, clear, and cool head. While exhaling, imagine that waves of energy are flowing down from your head, through your neck, back, arms, and legs, and leaving through your hands and feet. After a while, imagine that your head is clear, cool, clean, and light. At the end, stroke your face with spread fingers, enjoying the feeling for a while.